السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. My honorable brothers and respected sisters, with Ramadan al-Kareem fast approaching, with just over 65 days left till the month of Ramadan, ask yourself this question: am I ready and am I prepared for the month of Ramadan? Because I want you guys to just step back for a moment and analyze yourself in a constructive manner. Am I actually running myself into autopilot? Is my body set? Is my lifestyle set in autopilot that every single day, the minute I wake up, I'm thinking the same way? My goals are still the same. I still have the same habits. In terms of upskilling myself and becoming a better person, am I still the same? In terms of my spirituality, when I wake up, am I still the same as the previous day? If this is the case, guys, then you are driving and you are riding in autopilot. And what is going to happen is 1 month will go, the next month will go, and then the month of Ramadan will come, and Shaitan, who is locked away in the month of Ramadan, even though he is locked away, because you are still set in autopilot, the lifestyle that you were living pre and before the month of Ramadan, you will live exactly the same lifestyle in the month of Ramadan. Even though you are fasting, even though this is the month of the Quran, even though this is the month of Salatul Taraweeh, whatever the situation is, because you are set in autopilot, when the month of Ramadan comes, you will not have a change in your lifestyle and you will not see a change in your lifestyle. Even though Shaitan is not there to overpower you to do wrong, because it is part of your lifestyle and you are set in that lifestyle, you will continue to sin. If you have a habit of listening to music, you will continue to listen to music. If you have a habit of not praying your salah on time, you will continue to have this habit during the month of Ramadan. If you do not have a habit to recite the Holy Quran frequently, you will still struggle to recite the Holy Quran in the month of Ramadan. If you do not have a habit of remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala frequently, doing the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will also struggle to do this in the month of Ramadan. Shaitan has set you in autopilot and he is getting you ready to live the lifestyle that he wants you to live in the month of Ramadan. Now guys, as a believer, as a human being, as the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will experience highs and we will experience lows. Yes, when we are in our high period, our spirituality is on its high, we are feeling spirited, we are feeling boosted. Yes, you will see more productivity, and that is perfectly fine, that is great. But the key thing is, when my spirituality is on a decline, and I wake up in the morning and I just can't be bothered to do anything. When I wake up in the morning and those negative thoughts are just racing across my mind. When I wake up in the morning and I cannot find the strength to read my Salatul Fajr. When I wake up in the morning and I just don't want to do anything at all. This is the situation that you as an individual need to counter. This is a situation that you as an individual need to work on. This is a situation that you as an individual need to conquer. What you need to do is find out what your triggers are. What triggers you into negativity? What triggers you into your decline? What triggers you towards going and doing sin and turning away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? You need to find those triggers, and when you find those triggers, you need to overpower them. You need to take control over them. Let me give you a very quick example. You know, when I wake up in the morning, and the first thing I do is check my phone and check my social media, and when I see all my friends living a happy lifestyle or showing that they are living a happy lifestyle, that triggers off my negativity and it makes thoughts in my mind begin to rush. then you know this is your trigger and this is something that you need to work on and stay away from. You who are watching this, you're a champion. You who are watching this, you are a fighter and you can get through these difficult times. The key thing is you've set your body, you've set your mindset on autopilot and you're just working in the same routine every single day. You need to break the shackles, move away from the whispers of shaitan, work on your spirituality, work on your bond and your connection that you need to build with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. If you are struggling with anxiety, you are struggling with depression, what you need to do is fix a amount of times you will do istighfar on a daily and regular basis. If you are suffering from thoughts that race across your mind, the minute you wake up in the morning, rather than getting your mind towards negativity, pull your mind towards positivity and thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all the blessings that He has given you, for all the good Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you, for all the beautiful ni'mah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has bestowed upon you. Thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for this. When you wake up, rather than thinking that your life is over, rather than thinking that you are nothing, no, bring your mind towards positivity and thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the breath that He has given you, for the chance that He has given you, that you are living another day to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the bed He gave you. Thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the house He gave you, that you have a roof over your head. You will wake up, you will go downstairs, you will have breakfast, you will have food to eat. These are all things that you need to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for. لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ وَلَإِن كَفَرْتُمْ إِنَّ عَذَابِي لَشَدِيدٌ. Thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When you thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He will increase you in your blessings. And if you do not show gratitude for the blessings that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has bestowed upon you, then know that the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is severe. So my honorable brothers and my respected sisters, the month of Ramadan is fast approaching. Now is a time to begin to prepare yourself for the month of Ramadan. Build a timetable, a structured timetable, and begin to work according to this timetable. Reciting the Holy Quran, your daily prayers, your adhkar. Begin to bring these things in your lifestyle right now. So when the month of Ramadan comes, you will find it very easy to do these things. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for each and every single one of us. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Guys, if you've benefited by our video today, then why not subscribe to our YouTube channel? And you can do this very easy by hitting the subscribe button right here. And if you've not watched our last video, very simple and easy, you can watch it right here, guys. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.